So what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another day in a live video of a forex trader. So for those of you tuning in new to my channel, so basically I go by EB Trade. So what I do is that I document my journey here on YouTube. So I post once a week my vlogs here on YouTube, how I trade, everything about my journey are all documented here on this YouTube. So guys, this is week 4 of me trading this 5K account which I got from GoFunded Traders. So guys, as you guys can see, most of the trades all of the trades are in drawdown. I think 3 of the trades are in serious drawdown, which might actually tap us out this week. So yeah, although since I bought this account, I haven't lost any trade and I haven't won any trade. So these are the trades which I took since I bought this account. As you guys know, I told you guys earlier that I normally swing trade. So yeah, these are the trades which I took since I bought this account. I haven't actually closed this trade, and the most frustrating thing about it, I don't know whether it's just this month, because I've been trading this strategy for a long time, but when it came to this month, the market has been really slow, like crazy. Market won't tap me out, market won't move to my TP. Market is just playing around my entry. Sometimes moves up a bit, comes back again down to my entry. Sometimes moves down to my stop loss, comes back again back to my entry. I don't even understand. The month has been really crazy, stressful. Like, I don't know whether it's just the month. I don't know whether it's the month or but I know this has to be maybe the month of August. Like, I've been trading this strategy for a long time. I've backtested this strategy for a long time, so I haven't had this type of issue till recently. So yeah, I'm still going to be trading the way I'm trading, but the only issue that I have with it is just that the more I'm holding on to this trade, the more swap this trade is accumulating. Like, look at this Euro AUD trade. The swap is up to minus $4.93. And the more this swap is, if this trade stops me out here, because the stop loss on this trade is $30. So if this trade stops me out, $30 plus 49 $4.93, now it's around $3.93. So that is more than my stop loss. So the more I'm holding on to these trades, the more the swaps are catching up to me. Like, we have another one on NASCAR. NASCAR, the swap is up to minus. Although NASCAR, the swap of NASCAR is a bit low. Then the rest of these three, the GBP card and the Euro USDT, we're having positive swaps on them. So I'm not really bothered on them, because these ones, their swaps are positive. They don't minus it, they add it on top my profit or loss. So these the swaps on the GBP card trade is up to 0.93. And if you check the day which I took this trade, I think I've hold this trade for at least a week or two now, and the trade is still ranging around my entry, which is really stressful. Like, if the market is going to stop me, I'll just do it. Don't be whining me. That is my main distance. Stop me out so that I can reanalyze the market and enter again. So guys, as for now, these are the market are looking. I have somewhere to be by 9 o'clock. I think now it's 7:43. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys later.
3 days later.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another beautiful afternoon in the life of a forex trader. So yeah, guys, I want to show you guys something really interesting that happened yesterday on the chart. So yeah, let me show you guys how the market is looking now. So guys, this is how the market is looking. So guys, I think either yesterday or Monday we took a loss on Euro USDT. I think we lost around $26, which I think is about up to 0.3. I think it's around 0.3% of the account size. So if you guys look, you see that we are up $37 on the account. So yeah, as you guys can see, our Euro AUD trade, which was about to stop us at, I think it was the day before yesterday. Let's go to the channel. So this is how the market is looking. Market almost came to stop us at, but yeah, as you guys see, the market is pushing right in that direction, about to hit our TP. I think our TP is around $75. So as you guys can see, the market is bullish. So I'm expecting to hit our TP either tomorrow, or maybe you can even hit our TP today. Then we have this is another trade on Card Chef. This trade tapped us in yesterday. yesterday. Like this, I was doubting this trade. I had a lot of doubt on this trade because of the way the market was looking, the way the market was dropping. But yeah, anyway, I still placed my limit on the trade. The market just stopped tossing, and I think we are up about 13 points, $13 on the trade. I think the overall take profit on the trade is around $66 too. Then apart from that, we still have another our NASCAR trade. This trade has been consolidating quite a bit. The trade has been seriously consolidating. Like after pushing up, yeah, you see that the market is a bit retracing. But yeah, the market is, we are up $11 on the trade too, and I think the total profit on this trade too is around $72 too. So I think two of our trade are in good profit. We are having good profit. Then this GBP card trade, this trade is really, the way I'm looking at this trade, this GBP card trade might actually stop me. It is going to stop me because the way the market is being consolidating around my entry. And also, I recently checked the monthly time frames, and I discovered something in the monthly time frame that's yeah, there is a bit of a fair value gap below my stop loss, which market might actually trade into. But yeah, I'm still holding the trade. I will just see how the market is going to play out. I hope that market plays in my direction. But the way I'm seeing this, price might actually come down to stop me out then before giving us a shift in market structure before continuing bullishly. But yeah, let's see how the market plays out. Then apart from that, I think these are all the trades for now. We have 3 trades in profit and 2 trades in drawdown. And this trade, I'm still looking to break even on this Euro AUD trade because the way the market is looking now, if market push up a bit close to my TP, I will be breaking even. But for now, I won't be breaking even because with the way I trade, the rule that I trade, before I break even, market will be extremely, at least maybe 20 to 10 pips or to 30 pips from my TP before I'll be breaking even on this trade. So for now, these are the market is looking. So yeah, guys, I'll be keeping you guys updated if anything significant happens, if we hit TP, yeah, or yeah, if market retrace to come back and stop us out. Anyhow, I'll be keeping you guys updated. So on total, we are down 17. We are down $26. But our equality, we are up $28. So yeah, we lost one trade, which was the Euro USDT, and we have like 4 active trades, which 3 are in profit, and the rest is a bit in drawdown, which I have a high probability of you stopping us out. So I'll be keeping you guys updated.
The following day.
Yeah, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day in the life of a forex trader. Yeah, so guys, today is Sunday, so I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be doing a summary of the week. Yeah, showing you guys the total PNL for the week. So far, I think we lost another trade yesterday, so I think we are down 1% on this account. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys all of that right now. So let's head to the chart. I'm going to summarize everything, all the trade we took for the week, and yeah, all the expected profit that we are going to be making. So yeah, let's head to the chart. Yeah, so guys, I think this week we had about 4 open trades. So this is the Euro AUD trade. So as you guys saw, this trade actually moved in our direction, but yeah, I didn't actually break even for this trade because I was hoping for the trade to push a bit higher before I broke even on the trade. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, this Euro AUD trade actually came back to our entry, and if you guys see, we have a massive bearish candle, which I'm not even expecting price to buy up again. So the swap on this trade didn't actually stop us about. The swap on this trade is around $8, and the total stop loss on this trade was $30. So if I would have let this trade to stop us out, that is, we will be losing around $38, which is more than my risk, which is more than what I normally risk. So I now combine the swap and the loss. I think around here we are down around $20. We are down around $20. So with commissions and the swap, that rounded it up to the $30, which was our initial loss. So yeah, so I literally closed the trade here. Then apart from that, we have a under trade on NASCAR. So yeah, this trade, as you guys see, this trade is bullish. So if this NASCAR trade hits our TP, then I think we'll be making back, we'll be covering up for the loss, and yeah, we'll be covering up the losses that we had on this account. We'll be at break even. Then we have another trade on card chef. I think this trade, I added it, I think day before yesterday. So yeah,
this trade just recently tapped us in. As you guys see, it's moving in our direction and we are up in profit. So if this trade too hits our stop loss, I think we'll be up around 1% on the account. So yeah, I'm expecting these two trade to hit our TP. Then GBP card trade, actually this trade is still ranging, but I feel like I have a high probability of this trade stopping us out, because the way the trade has been ranging for a long time around our entry, the possibility of this trade stopping us out is high. So I'll be looking around maybe next week. Maybe I might close the trade here, or I might keep on holding the trade till it stops us out here. But let's see what next week gives us. I think that's all for this week. So I think total this week we lost one trade, which was the Euro USD trade. Let me show you guys on the trading view chart. So on the trading view chart, so total this week we lost, yeah, so total this week we lost history. So total this week we lost around $47. That is total loss $36. That is plus the commission, the swaps and everything, which is around 1% of the account. I think it's about around 1%, around 1% of the account, 1 point something percent of the account. That is Euro USD $26 loss, Euro AUD $21 loss, plus the swap, which is around 29, which is almost the $30 risks which we normally take. So yeah, so we are on this gold funded account we have lost around 2 trades and no TP for the meantime. So yeah guys, I think that's all for the week. If there is any other updates, yeah, let's see what next week, how next week we print. Yeah, so catch you guys next week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe so that you guys will motivate me to keep on posting more of my content, more of the journey on YouTube.